Powerhouse Google 30-minute chart. Let's take a look at the high, everybody. 187.18. It just happened a moment ago now. It's on a 30-minute. It's live. It's after hours. Let's take a look at the afternoon low. Yes, 173.66. The headline report was released. The drop by the dip happens here. We can see the 15-minute process. It really shows us, but you can see that the minute that we hit 187, we get what we refer to as a sell tail. Okay? There is nothing wrong with the report that Google provided. Right now, they're on a conference call. Right now, you get to see live a 30-minute chart here, but you have your 15-minute. They both have the same thing in common. Okay? So there, you can tell they sold the news right there. So tomorrow, what we'll do is we'll sell our call options on the pop just by seeing what's happening here. And we will. And if you don't sell, you'll be in trouble.